So just to set the scene a little in terms of social design, in 1972, Victor Papanek, the second reference to him today, at the time Dean of Design at the California Institute of the Arts, said in his book, Design for the Real World, there are professions that are more harmful than industrial design, but only a very few of them. And at the time, Papanek was calling for products to be designed in response to social needs rather than just profit. But actually, today, academics and designers, not two mutually exclusive groups, now think about social design in much broader ways. And our understanding of what social design can do, what it can achieve, how it can be framed, and how it can be applied has definitely been expanded from just thinking about products. So now we think about systems, processes, forms of democratic participation. All of that comes underneath the umbrella of social design. And in fact, the diversity of experience, the diversity of perspectives of our panel today in large part reflects that diversity of what social design can be, could be, and what it can achieve. We have Professor Adam Thorpe, Professor of Socially Responsive Design at CSM and part of UAL, and co-director of Design Against Crime. We have Cameron Tonkinwise, Director of the Design Innovation Research Centre at the University of Technology, Sydney. Professor Rebecca Early, Professor of Sustainable Fashion Textile Design and co-founder of the Centre for Circular Design at Chelsea College of Arts. Patricia Kaczynska, Senior Research Fellow at the Senior Design Institute at UAL and also Research Associate at Culture at King's College London, and myself, a PhD student between CSM and King's College London, who's looking at pensions design. So the format for today is that we've asked some provocations and we've got some presentations from each of our panel members where we ask the questions about social design. We're not taking a normative view. What is it? What follows on from it? Is it utopian? Is it necessary? Are we just, fooling ourselves that this is something worthwhile? And can it indeed be truly transformative? So for each of our presentations, which speak in some part in response to these questions, which will be about 10 minutes, we'll have a space for some questions after that. And at the end, we will wrap that up with a broader debate and discussion between our panel members and the audience, where we chip in and think about and form our own views around social design.